Welcome to Mercedes-Benz Places Miami, a sanctuary of luxury, innovation, and design. Rising 65 stories above the vibrant Brickell skyline, this exclusive condominium redefines residential living in the heart of Miami. Here, 390 meticulously crafted residences await, offering 1 to 3 bedroom options, each with breathtaking views of the Miami skyline, downtown, and the shimmering bay. Every space is a masterpiece of design, where crisp black and white elements, warm wood finishes, and Mercedes-Benz's signature precision harmoniously create an atmosphere of unparalleled quality. Step into a world of 5-star amenities designed to enrich every aspect of your life. From a rooftop pool and sun-drenched garden lounges to signature restaurants and cocktail bars that serve culinary excellence, Mercedes-Benz Places Miami is where luxury meets lifestyle. But beyond luxury, this is a place where wellness is redefined. At Mercedes-Benz Places Miami, a curated collection of wellness amenities invites you to relax, rejuvenate, and recharge. Indulge in the ultimate wellness experience with a series of saunas including hot, dry, and infrared designed to engage your senses and bring balance to your body and mind. Unwind in the onsen ritual circuit or retreat to the serene Himalayan salt room, where tranquility is at its core. Whether you're restoring your body in the aromatherapy and steam rooms or elevating your routine in the state-of-the-art fitness center, wellness at Mercedes-Benz Places Miami speaks to every interest and lifestyle. Take a moment to enjoy the lush outdoor cabanas, perfect for lounging after a rejuvenating session in our spa. This is wellness that meets you where you are, no matter how you define it. Rooted in Mercedes-Benz's globally recognized commitment to design, technology, and sustainability, this is more than just a place to live, it's a vision for the future. Welcome to Mercedes-Benz Places Miami, where every detail is considered and life is redefined.